healthiest grains, packed with nutrients, fiber, and goodness. 1. Quinoa. High in protein, fiber, and minerals like iron and magnesium. 1. Brown rice. Rich in fiber, manganese, and selenium. 1. Whole wheat. Good source of fiber, vitamin E, and B vitamins. 1. Oats. High in fiber, antioxidants, and lowers cholesterol. 1. Barley. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 1. Kamut. High in protein, fiber, and nutrients. 1. Buckwheat. Gluten-free, rich in protein and antioxidants. 1. Millet. Rich in protein, fiber, and B vitamins. 1. Teff. High in iron, calcium, and fiber. 1. Amaranth. Gluten-free, rich in protein and minerals. Remember to choose whole grains over processed or refined options to reap maximum benefits. Would you like more information on any specific grain or recipe suggestions?